I'm going to show you how to use AI to make movies like this for free.
Scandinavia over 1,000 years ago. Wooden longships with menacing dragon heads carved into their bows are lined up along the shores. Their sails billow in the wind, carrying fearsome warriors known as Vikings, seafarers from Norway, Sweden, and Denmark. Armed with axes, swords, and shields, these men are about to embark on daring raids that will change history. The year is 793 AD, and the Vikings' first major strike is on a small island off the coast of England, Lindisfarne. This island is home to a monastery and peaceful people. Little do they know, the longships slicing through the waves are about to bring terror. Without warning, the Vikings storm the shore. Their axes gleam in the sunlight, their war cries echoing across the island. They loot the village, taking gold, silver.
You'll learn how to write a script, design scenes, and add professional voiceovers in minutes using ChatGPT, Canva, and OpenAI TTS to create consistent video images you can use for your YouTube channel, whether for storytelling, faceless channels, or educational content, or any other project. So let's go into my computer and we'll go over that right now. So first, you guys, let's use ChatGPT to create the storyline. You're going to log into your ChatGPT account. If you don't have a ChatGPT account, just create one using your email address. It's free to do so. Okay, so I already created the storyline, but what you would do is just type in here a prompt. Please give me a 5-minute story about how the Vikings conquered countries. We're going to use the Vikings as a for the storyline. Okay, so you would put that in, and then ChatGPT would generate the story for you. As you can see here, imagine a cold, misty morning in Scandinavia, and it goes on for about, for a 5-minute story. Now, one tip is, while you can use ChatGPT to just work from ChatGPT and copy and paste into Canva, a good tip is to copy and paste the story from ChatGPT into a doc, a Word doc, right? Like Google Docs, okay, like I have here. This way, if you want, you can edit the information, edit your story to fit the way you speak, or, to remove some information or add whatever you want to the story. Once you've created your story, you can also, in ChatGPT, you can add additional prompts. For example, please give me 3 prompts to use in, and I put Runway Gen 3 here because ChatGPT is familiar with Runway Gen 3 for text to video. You can also put Canva Magic Writer, right? So please give me 3 prompts to use in Canva Magic Writer to generate time period images based on the story you provided. The images must include people, ships, and scenery reminiscent of the Vikings time period. Okay? Once you do that, ChatGPT will give you this information. Now, these are the prompts, the individual prompts, 1, 2, 3, that you're then going to put into Canva to generate your individual videos. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You would then copy the prompt, go over to Canva. You're going to log into your Canva account. You're going to choose a new document, or whatever you want to work with here. So for us, it's going to be a video. So we're going to click on YouTube video, click on it again to generate the side menu bar here. And then you're going to look for Magic Media. You're going to click on Magic Media, and you're going to put the prompt that you copied from ChatGPT into Magic Media, and you're going to make sure that it's on videos. Up here in Magic Media, you have images, graphics, videos. click on videos. You're going to click on videos, and here it's saying that I have 0 credits left. And that's because I used my credits to create the video already for you guys. But if you're just doing it, you would have generate video highlighted here. You would then click on generate video, and your video would show up. And I'll show you what the video look like. The videos look like because I did them already. Right, so these are the individual videos that it generated for me. And I'll show you each one. And these are from the prompts that I got from ChatGPT. All right. And then from these individual videos, I combined them. Well, here I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, so these are the individual videos. And you saw, in the beginning where I combined them along with the music. Okay, so now how do you add speech? To add speech, text to speech, you're going to go into OpenAI TTS, right? So you're going to log into TTSOpenAI.com. And when you do, this is the screen that you'll see. Okay, you're going to log in. You can create an account. Again, all you need is an email address. Okay, so you're going to create the text to speech, you're going to copy your story, not the prompts now. You're going to copy your entire story that was created for you by ChatGPT and that you edited, and you're going to paste it in here. Okay, paste your story here. And over here on the right-hand side, you have all the voices that you can choose from. Okay, and to hear it, to get a sample of the voices, you just click on it. Let's try another one. This is a female voice. Click sample. And you have, that's on the system voices. You can create your own voices, which means, you can record your voice if you want. And if you have a favorite voice, which I do have, you can save it here. Okay. Make sure it's on high quality. As you can see, you have HD quality and high quality. Choose high quality, and then you can click on create speech. Okay, and once it's done, you'll see this message down here. It says success, vocalization created successfully. You can check the result in history. So you're going to click on go to history. Then you just have to wait for it to do its thing. Just keep in mind, guys, that if you're going to use OpenAI TTS, you have to put a disclaimer in your description box of, say, your YouTube video, so that your viewers clearly know that the voice is AI generated and not a human voice. Okay, you have to do the disclaimer if you're going to use OpenAI text to speech, okay, TTS. Okay, so now your speech is done. Your text to speech is done. It's telling you that it's 3 minutes and 7 seconds long. What you're going to do is click on download, and this will download it on your computer. And it downloads into an MP3 file. Okay, now that's on your computer. Now, what you're going to do is to put it all together, to bring it all together, the images, the video images, the text-to-speech. So you're going to use your editing tool to bring it all together now. All right. And this is what it would look like. You would click on Upload Files. Click on your voiceover and it will go into audio. It'll download into audio. I have it here already because I have done it before for you guys. You have to wait until it's completed. Now it's all done. What you're going to do now is add it to your video, your clips, just by clicking on it. And you can listen to what it sounds like. Now that's just adding the voiceover to your video. You would then have to listen to the voiceover and choose how you want to edit these individual clips, right? So for instance, you could split it if you want, the clip if you want. You could add different transitions. Okay. You could duplicate pages. So for instance, duplicate clips, right? If you want to make it longer. Right? And ultimately, like I showed you guys before,
Scandinavia over 1,000 years ago. Wooden longships with menacing dragon heads carved into their bows are lined up along the shores. Their sails billow in the wind, carrying fearsome warriors known as Vikings, seafarers from Norway, Sweden, and Denmark. Armed with axes, swords, and shields, these men are about to embark on daring raids that will change history. The year is 793 AD, and the Vikings' first major strike is on a small island off the coast of England, Lindisfarne. This island is home to a monastery and peaceful people. Little do they know, the longships slicing through the waves are about to bring terror. Without warning, the Vikings storm the shore. Their axes gleam in the sunlight, their war cries echoing across the island. They loot the village, taking gold.
Right? And you saw it in the beginning. So guys, yeah, that's how easy it is for you to create your own movie using ChatGPT, Canva, and OpenAI TTS. You can use this for educational videos and how-to videos and storytelling, or just to add a little humph to your videos, to your channel. And that's how in mere minutes you can create a movie using AI for free. Let me know in the comment section, you guys, what your movie will be about. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.